How to use Gemini AI with Bard Chatbot. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to use Gemini AI with Bard Chatbot. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty and simple, so let's go. So as you can see right here, I head over to the bard.google.com and I asked this about Gemini AI. So Gemini is a large language model from Google AI that helps a model with a lot of parameters, and a smaller, more efficient model is the Gemini Pro. Gemini Nano is the smallest. So this is a powerful tool that can be used for various purposes like generating text, translating language, answering questions, and writing different kinds of creative content. So I asked us if I can use it with Bard. It says that I can use Gemini with Bard. In fact, Bard has now used a specifically tuned version of Gemini Pro for more advanced reasoning, planning, and understanding. Which means that if you're using Bard Chatbot, that means you're already using Gemini AI. So you can also head over and buy Gemini Pro in order to integrate it on your Bard in order to get more accurate results. So you can see here a lot of benefits of using Gemini, like enhanced reasoning, improved factual language, and more creative text formats. So you need to access it, you don't need to do anything special. So if you're using Bard in a supported region and language, which I am doing right now, you're already using Gemini Pro. So to check if Gemini is worth your region, you can refer to Google's official documentation on Bard with Gemini Pro availability. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use Gemini AI with Bard Chatbot. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks.